Will Shiba Inu survive after dropping a massive surprise and Twitter failing? Shib News reported that the crypto market crashed on November 21st, with the worldwide MC falling 4.5%. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are two cryptocurrencies that have seen a significant decline in value as a result of this heat. We will discuss Twitter failing, Shiba Inu revealing a major bombshell, and if Shiba Inu will live or die in this video. News Shib to see our most recent Shiba Inu videos, pricing forecasts, and expert analysis. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shib has lost 6% in the last day, while dogecoin has lost 11% in the same time frame. This coincides with yet another decline that these currencies have experienced in recent weeks. For the majority of this month, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have been declining, losing ground to their formidable rivals. These currencies have been in decline since the pump they had in the final week of October and the first few days of November this year. They have been on a downward trend as a result of the recent bull run that Doge and Shib achieved. Crypto researchers claim that the pump was likely started by hype rather than a sustainable growth element. If the adoption of these coins did not proceed as planned, the Twitter hype would not last. Without this, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu will continue to struggle for stability. Additionally, the lack of utility for these coins is a problem. Crypto specialists predict that Dogecoin and Shib values may fluctuate for the upcoming few weeks before stabilizing. The Shiba Inu army will open another Shiba Inu-themed restaurant on Australia's Gold Coast before the pump is reached. Shiba Wings, a chicken restaurant with a cryptocurrency ATM installed on the property, will be located in the coastal city of Queensland. The logo of Australia's first crypto restaurant is a Shiba Inu with flaming wings, probably making a reference to the Shib burning method. On Australia's hashtag Gold Coast, hashtag Shiba Wings debuts. This is fantastic. Hashtag Shiba Army Strong, Shiba Wings, and cryptocurrency. On November 20, 2022, Shib tokenomics will take place. Shib is being exchanged. Ends at $0.869, a decrease of 4.2% over the last 24 hours. The meme currency suffered over the crypto cold, posting a monthly deficit of 13.3%. Due to this, the K9 currency has lost 200 million of its market capitalization over the past 24 hours and has been displaced by Lido staked Ether for position 13 in the cryptocurrency charts. For the first time since June 21, 2022, it trades below the crucial resistance level of $0.09. In related news, Shib's Coinbase trading activity continued to maintain a 91% buy rate. The 5,000 or so new Shib wallets that were added to the Ethereum network at the same time as the optimistic signal from Coinbase users. According to Whale statistics, there are 1,279,882 active wallets overall, with the top 100 ETH whales each holding an average of 80 billion, 363 million, and 52,179 Shib. 91% of trades in Shib over the last 24 hours on Coinbase have been buys, and 9% have been sells. Alexander Shib at Alexander Shib 21 November 2022, the popularity of Shiba Inu does not seem to be eroding despite the present bear market. Without a doubt, the cryptocurrency industry suffered greatly from the fall of the FTX empire. Almost all of the cryptocurrencies on the market were perceived to lose value. Even the price of Bitcoin dropped to around $15,000. However, one sector of the market is relieved as it slowly begins to recover. Major cryptocurrencies have traded with losses in the single digits over the past 24 hours. In just 2 days, Shib attracted 5,000 additional holders. On November 17, there were 1,271 Shib holders worldwide, according to Whale statistics. According to data from CoinMarketCap, it surged to 1,276,281 on November 19. Nearly the past 24 hours, Shiba Inu's trade volume has increased by nearly 92%. Despite the fact that meme coins and the majority of cryptocurrencies have lost ground in the last day, trading volume has dramatically grown. The trade volume, which was 92% at one point, is now 79.59%, which is significantly greater than it was 24 hours ago. The current trading volume is $195,404,458. Shib's current trading volume on DX is $1,719,763.69. However, with over $193 million in trading activity, CDX trades make up the majority of transactions. Notably, the burn rate over the same time period has somewhat increased. The current SHIB burn rate is 307.8%. 38,210,601 SHIB have been distributed to dead wallets during this time, according to information from ShibBurn. Most of the burning from the two significant transactions involving 26.7 million and 11 million SHIB. Since authorities all over the world are looking to implement regulations more quickly, the market seems to still be enmeshed in FTX demise. Despite the difficulties in the cryptocurrency marketplaces, Shiba Inu has maintained its investor base. Its popularity appears to be increasing with each new investor who enters its ranks, with no apparent drop in numbers. Shiba Inu has gradually increased in price during the past month, according to information gathered by CoinMarketCap. In the period from the end of October to November 20, there were 50,970 holders. There were 1,228,876 holders on October 22. This increased to 1,012,780,108 on November 19, an increase of nearly 5% over the course of the month. Between November 14 and November 19, there was around 12,452 a weekend increase. Additionally, there is a steady addition of nearly 1,800 new members each day. According to the holders' data, 14,645 Shiba Inu addresses have been active within the past 24 hours. The top 10 owners of the currency own about 62.71% of it, while the top 20 hold about 70.76%. Bone has a solid use case in the Shiba Inu ecosystem and will be used as gas in the Shibarium network. After unification, the token increased by 110%. The Shibarium Network's construction company declared that the L2 documentation would be made available in the third quarter of 2022. However, the Shibarium documentation was delayed until a time not long after that, which made Bone appear unreliable on the market. The ecosystem token for Shiba Inu, called Bone, had a sharp drop in value following this month's FTX-caused crypto meltdown. The second week of November saw an almost 25% daily decline in Bone, which led to new monthly lows. The price of Bone doubled and reached $1.10 from $48 at 0 point in August of this year, following unification's postponement of the Shibarium documentation until the crash 2 months later. The indexes continue to be critical of Bone's chances. It was at the mercy of bear markets when its incredible rally came to an abrupt end. Simply said, after hearing of the launch of the Shibarium paperwork, the price of Bone rose and then fell once unification delayed the release. Since Bone has no practical applications, the Shiba Inu ecosystem needs Shibarium for the token to grow. The only thing that can make Bone live is Shibarium, and without the L2 network, it might be difficult for the token's price to increase steadily. The launch date for the Shibarium documents must be announced by unification in order for Bone to rally. Prior to the release of the Shibarium documentation, the token may spike. In conclusion, Bone requires the L2 network to boost its pricing because it cannot live without Shibarium. In the 24-hour day trade, Bone is currently trading at $0.65 and is down 4.4%. Additionally, it has decreased by 95.8% from its peak of $15.50 in July 2021. Investors in Shiba Inu could receive some encouraging news. There are rumors that Tesla may include Shiba Inu as a form of payment. The genesis of the rumor is an examination of the Tesla website's source code, where SHIB is displayed as a payment option. However, the EV company hasn't made any formal statements regarding this. The most popular cryptocurrency had a 23% increase to the upside when Tesla announced a $1.5 billion Bitcoin purchase and its adoption as a payment option in early February. According to some analysts, this event was the primary driver that drove Bitcoin to mid-April highs. Shiba Inu experienced gains of around 800% in October and reached a record high of $0 and 8,850 cents. Despite this outstanding run of performance, detractors keep spreading the myth that Shib is just another passing fad that will soon collapse to zero. Shiba Inu, however, keeps developing its underlying strength. For instance, a price floor of 2 ETH and $8 was created by the recent success of its Shiboshi NFTs. Shib is an ERC20 token, which makes it a subpar payment method given the high and unpredictably charged gas prices of the Ethereum network. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.